In this video we will look at the top 5 best Beyblade set available on the market today. We made this list after interviewing professional artists, researching, testing and based on customer reviews. We have considered their product quality, features, and values when narrowing down the top choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 5. Burst Avatar Attack Battle Set. Incredible for beginner or advanced Beybladers, the Burst Avatar Attack Battle Set comes with everything a Beyblading fanatic needs for hours of batting fun. Think of all the damage you can do with several game-winning components like the energy layers, launchers, coupled with impressive functionality. The Beyblade Burst Avatar Attack Battle Set includes 2 Avatar Attack Bay Stadium accessories that let bladers engage avatars in battle. Launch tops into the Beyblade Burst Avatar Attack Bay Stadium designed for awesome battle patterns. The clashes are just as epic with one of the largest battle arenas under the Beyblade Burst Avatar Attack Battle Set. What's more, it comes equipped with a skin code on the stadium. So, you can unlock the digital Bay Stadium in the corresponding Beyblade Burst app. Let it rip. Do all you can to rule over your opponents with a stadium that is built for intense clashes. In terms of strength and construction design, this stadium is a long-term spectacle. Number 4. Burst Turbo Slingshot Cross Collision Battle Set. The Beyblade Burst Slingshot tech comes in handy to carry out a number of moves during intense games. For instance, you can ride the rails with the quadruple rail system with tops blasting into the battle ring. Rush into battle with the quadruple rail system that amps up head-to-head battling using Beyblade Burst Slingshot tech. Vary your attack by launching in different sections of the Bay Stadium. What's more, rather than staying in the stadium, you can make the conversion to slingshot mode. This way, you ride the rails rushing into any battle. Customize your top's energy layer and choose your spin direction with combination energy layers and direction changing chips. 8 possible combinations. Beyblade Burst toys for kids ages 8 years old and up. The Slingshot Cross Collision is also capable of bursting into pieces so that the other player gets 2 points. In addition, you can make adjustments with the interchangeable components. They have to be compatible with other Beyblade Burst tops though. Number 3. Burst Evolution Starstorm Battle Set Game. If you love to customize and switch between different parts, then the Beyblade Burst Revolution set will come like a gem for you. Why is it so fantastic for those who love to switch parts? Because it comes with the Switch Strike design that lets you customize your Burst Revolution set according to your needs. Well, the rates vary, but you get the drift, especially with each blader doing all they possibly can to make it to 3 points. The interchangeable tops also make this stadium a great piece to have fun on. Construction design and quality are essential. This is what makes this stadium one of the top picks. The structure is steady and immediately gives off an air of competition. Money isn't a sticking point either. It's fair game in terms of pricing, especially with the fun you're guaranteed to have. Number 2. Burst Rise Hypersphere Vertical Drop Battle Set. The tops in the Burst Rise Hypersphere Vertical Drop Battle Set have tips that are designed to climb up the walls, resulting in gravity-defying moments that bring extra excitement to each session. The colors and aesthetic are inspired by the Beyblade Burst Surge animated series. Also, you get to select the seriousness of the tournament before electing to take someone on. Everything you need to get your Beyblade on the way is made available. This way, your stadium is all set to host the matchup with opponents. The burst capacity of these Beyblades will make your experience much more entertaining. This happens because both tops will explode into pieces if they hit each other too hard. The one that stands without bursting is the one that wins. The white Beyblade is the attack while the green one is the defense. To make the battles even more exciting, the GT chips can easily be interchanged with other right spin GT chip tops to customize your gaming experience and win more battles. Lastly, players have the chance to scan the code on their Beyblade Burst tops to unlock the energy layers and compete in more than 15,000 real and virtual battles. Number 1. Burst Turbo Slingshot Rail Rush Battle Set. The Rail Rush Battle Set features a unique arena with grooved interior tracks for the ultimate slingshot battles where bays actually ride the rails and quickly change directions because of it. Hours and hours of fun guaranteed with this new stadium. Beyblade Burst Turbo Slingshot Rail Rush Battle Set game would be your best bet for getting a value for money. Its exceptional features and product quality makes it different from the rest. The manufacturer amazed all such users. there is a combination of energy layers with 2 Slingshot tops. Each layer can be split into 2 pieces. You will also find 2 direction changing chips for the selection of spin. It means there are 8 possible combinations within the set. Beyblade Burst toys for kids ages 8 years old and up to collect, customize, and compete. After all, the Beyblade Burst Turbo Slingshot Rail Rush Battle Set game was in the market for a long time, and people loved to use it. Now do not spend more time on searching, the list is over, pick the one and grab a Beyblade. So, if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.